Hello, Camp El Savona, students, parents, families, and the people we love. This is Mr. Anderson.
And this is DeCamp.
We're here to say hello. What's happening on day 3? No school. We miss school. We miss you. We love you. So we're going to spend a little time having some fun, and we're going to read you a special book. There is a bird on your head. Mr. Anderson is going to be elephant in this, and Mrs. DeCamp is going to be
Piggy.
So, There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Oh, then we'll drop that book. There is a bird on your head. Look at the bird flying around. Piggy! Is something on my head?
Yes. There is a bird on your head.
There's a bird on my head. Is there a bird on my head now?
No. Now there are 2 birds on your head.
What are 2 birds doing on my head?
They are in love.
The birds on my head are in love?
They are lovebirds.
Lovebirds. How do you know they're lovebirds?
They are making a nest.
2 birds are making a nest on my head? Why would birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head?
One, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Then I have great news.
The eggs are gone?
They're hatching!
Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching?
They have hatched. Thanks.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head.
And 2 birds and a nest.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else!
Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them?
Ask them.
Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds? Will you please go somewhere else?
No problem.
It worked!
Bye!
Now there are no birds on my head! Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Thank you for hanging out with us with this wonderful read aloud. We will be in touch as the days go by and how much we miss you at school. Go
Very
Panthers!
lonely here. We
I
do miss you
know,
guys.
Very lonely here. We love you. Have a good time at home. Keep working hard at home. And we will see you later.